So what are the top 3 reasons that you should walk away from a real estate deal? Well, number 1, I would say, is if the numbers in the data no longer work. Many times we get caught up in a deal, we tend to stretch certain numbers and we ignore other numbers when we're looking at a deal because we're emotionally charged in it. You always have to be prepared and willing to walk away if the numbers don't work. Just because you went into the deal and the numbers made sense, and now once you start doing some due diligence, you realize the numbers don't work, that is the time that you have to walk away. Next thing is if this property no longer will get you to your goal. So let's say, for example, you bought the property, or you're looking at the property, and now you realize that it is not part of your strategy and it's not gonna get you there because the strategy that you thought was gonna get you there no longer works. So if it's not going to get you to your goal, it makes sense that you walk away. The next thing I would realize is if for some reason you learn that things are not what they say they were. So for example, let's say all of a sudden you're getting an inspection on the property and you find out that there's a problem. Many people, I have learned, if it's past an option period, they will stay in the deal because they don't want to lose the option money. That makes no sense to me. If the deal doesn't make sense, you will lose much more money down the road if all of a sudden you find out that there is an inspection or there's a problem or anything. Let's say it's something that you can't get out of. It still makes more sense to walk away from the deal, even losing the earnest money or the option money, than it would be to stay in the deal. So 3 reasons are the numbers don't make sense, it does not align with your goal, and things have changed during the deal. Any of those 3 reasons, I say walk away and you will be glad that you did, because the last thing you want to do is take someone else's problem, turn it into your problem, and now you have to figure out how to make it work. Hopefully this helps, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.